Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Igloo Building Kit is probably one of the most unique and exciting ways to experience the magic of winter, offering a fun and educational activity for families and adventurous individuals alike. This kit simplifies the process of building your own igloo, providing all the necessary tools and materials, making it accessible to people of all skill levels and ages, and allowing you to create a stunning winter wonderland right in your backyard. Number 5. Tiny Land Glow Fort Building Kit. It's here. Let's open up this amazing fort building kit and see all the pieces inside. It's got everything you need to create your own glowing adventure. With 86 glow-in-the-dark rods and 44 connectors, the possibilities are endless. It's so easy to assemble and take apart, perfect for imaginative builders. Charge it up with a light for 15 to 30 minutes, and watch it glow. It's safe, bright, and the glow lasts longer than ever before. Castles, rockets, secret hideouts. The only limit is your imagination. This kit is perfect for family fun and creative building challenges. Looking for a unique and fun gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's great for kids aged 5 to 10. We offer a variety of kits to suit different ages and preferences. Find the perfect one for your family and let the building begin. What we like? It glows in the dark, making nighttime adventures even more exciting. With 130 pieces, it offers endless building possibilities. If you are looking for a fun and versatile building toy that's perfect for both indoor and outdoor play, this is the one for you. What people say. My 6-year-old grandson loved receiving this for his birthday, but his 3-year-old brother and their chemical engineer mom loved it even more. She constructed a water molecule. I bought a second set so they can build really big forts. My 7 and 9-year-old love this. We've had it for a year and it's held up nicely. Still glows. Bought it for my stepson, M4, who is too young to build it himself but enjoyed helping me. He talked about the den for months. The pieces are sturdy and may last a few years. Den holds up well, fun activity for both adults and kids. This is a great kit they can grow into. Number 4. Construction Fort Building Kit. It has 85 pieces including geometric balls and reinforced sticks, allowing you to build forts of all shapes and sizes. The flexible rods give kids more design options. Just add a bedsheet for a cozy hideaway. It encourages kids to develop their imaginative and problem-solving skills. Whether building a house, castle, or rocket ship, it's great for both boys and girls, teaching teamwork and cooperation. Designed for children aged 5 and up, it's intuitive and easy to use. The pieces connect and disassemble effortlessly, and are conveniently portable for use virtually everywhere. Made with solid, premium plastic, it provides durable building pieces parents can trust. It's safe for indoor and outdoor use, and the pieces remain securely connected. Combine multiple sets to watch your child's creativity flourish. If you have any questions, our customer service team is here to help. What we like? Its flexible rods allow for unique designs and creative freedom. The sturdy construction ensures that it won't fall apart easily. If you want a durable and versatile fort building kit that encourages creativity, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to assemble. Some of the connectors needed a quick adult shove for first-time use to get them in nice and tight. Multiple configurations, creative play, sturdy flexible poles for unique structures, clear instructions with suggestions. The pegs can be hard to get into the holes at first, but they seem to get easier with use. The structures are sturdy enough to handle multiple blankets on top and kids being kids inside, though excess roughness will lead to poles popping out and needing to put them back into place, which only takes a bit. They can build just about anything themselves. Between the two kits, the structures they build are not stable most of the time. You definitely need to use a lightweight sheet for a cover, because any regular blanket will be too heavy and destroy whatever you build. Number 3. National Geographic Creative Fort Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with this amazing fort building kit. It has 135 pieces to create incredible structures, perfect for imaginative play. Building is a breeze with the flexible poles and hubs. It allows for countless designs, from simple tents to elaborate castles. It's made with sturdy, high-quality materials built to last. The kit includes clips to easily attach a sheet or blanket for the ultimate fort experience. This kit is perfect for kids of all ages. It includes a building guide with step-by-step instructions to build with confidence. We are committed to providing the best hands-on learning toys. If you have any issues, our exceptional customer service is here to help. What we like. With 135 pieces, you can build epic forts. The bendable pieces make building easy and fun. If you're looking for a high-quality educational toy that sparks creativity, this is the perfect option. What people say. This is a great product. The pieces are all sturdy, easy to fit together in many different ways. It really is so fun though. My kid definitely needs an adult older person to help twist and/or insert the poles into the connectors. We put a flat bedsheet over top after this photo was taken and the fort is still sturdy. Number 2. SNAPZ Ultimate Fort Builder. Unleash your child's creativity with SNAPZ. It's the perfect way to build amazing forts, saving your furniture and sparking hours of imaginative play. It's incredibly easy to assemble. The detailed instructions guide you through building pyramids, castles, and so much more. Unlike other kits, it's built to last. The click and lock system ensures your creations stay sturdy, even with blankets added for extra privacy. With endless possibilities, it will keep kids engaged for hours. Let their imaginations run wild, creating unique and exciting fort designs. It's more than just fun, it encourages STEM skills and teamwork. Kids can collaborate with parents and friends for a shared building experience. Suitable for children aged 4 to 12, it's a fantastic gift that grows with them. Combine multiple sets for even bigger and better forts. What we like. Its click and lock system ensures that your creations stay together. The sturdy design prevents collapses. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use fort building kit with clear instructions, this is the one for you. What people say. The pieces snap together firmly and don't easily come apart accidentally, but they're still easy to take apart when you want them apart. I find that a remarkable feat of engineering. For covering structures, you will want something as lightweight as possible. Microfiber bed sheets are perfect, the larger the better. The plastic is sturdy and brightly colored just as pictured. It was easy for the kids to connect them by themselves. Ages 5 and 7, you have to tug a bit to get them apart, but I see that as an asset since the fort won't fall apart unless you want to take it apart. Number 1. Play-Doh Builder Igloo Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with this complete kit. It has everything needed to build, decorate, and customize their own mini Play-Doh igloo. It's designed for easy use. The simple tools and clear instructions make it a fun building craft for kids of all skill levels. With 2 cans of reusable, non-toxic Play-Doh, the possibilities are endless. Let your child's imagination run wild. The included penguin figure, sled, and other accessories add to the fun. It's perfect for imaginative play and storytelling. This makes a great gift for kids who love arts and crafts. It's also compatible with any classic Play-Doh refill packs. What we like. It's a Play-Doh kit, so it's fun and creative. Building a mini igloo is a simple and engaging activity. If you're looking for a fun and easy craft project for younger children, this is a great choice. What people say. Used as an educational prop for grandson. He enjoyed putting it together as we learned about Eskimo Indian life. So this pic is after over a month and after finding it smushed in a box after my mom came over and did one of her tidies. Anyway, it was really fun. My mildly autistic son with severe ADHD has a great time with this kit. I was even able to take a phone call and leave him unsupervised, and he continued to build the pineapple on his own. I'd say between the unboxing and making the whole thing kept him busy for about 40 minutes, then we played with the little figures for a few minutes after. I love that it is a scene to create. It comes in a small box but easy to do and fun. Kept my 4-year-old entertained for quite a while. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.